Today suddenly coming here our new vlog. See that monkey below? He climbed the tree, big tree, and we'll go. Today is people dying, and this fellow. How you feel today?
Good, feel good.
And you, bro?
Nice.
And you? What?
I putting my girlfriend today, then boring life. But she don't love it.
I hear that your work is die.
Yeah, my work is die.
And you? And you?
Not on.
See climbing the tree that fellow like a monkey fellow. Small kid also climbing. See big tree climbing. And he small boy so he can do gabagab and tabatap all the time. This fellow. Come to this door, then you'll see that all the young boys see. This fellow also senior. Not senior means what? This fellow see like, wow, line cutting.
Yeah,
Line cutting.
and this W.
This boy what? Wow, line cutting. And you?
W jersey na.
Wow, W. What meaning W? W is what meaning?
What?
Burj Khalifa or what? Mia Khalifa.
Mia Khalifa.
Oh. Yes, suddenly tapadap and gabagap doing. Emma, what do you feel today, bro?
Krem sa.
Oh, tiak krem. Ajay, how you feel today, bro? Huh? Oh, Adi, how you feel today? How you feel today? Hello. Okay. Suddenly new boys is coming. What, bro? Today, how you feel that Sang Ma died today?
Thank you very much.
Suddenly Johnny Singh brother coming, small brother, and that one, that Nigeria guy.
This boy.
What? How you feel today, bro?
How is this?
Make sure your pack me, 6 pack. All the time do gym. Good. How you feel today? Your what? Yip today? What or chiang?
Bak ko sa usnga pe umma ne diam su telum ga. Ate la na mo le la sio la de biu tu tiang hayon.
Nothing. And how you feel today, bro? See?
I feel good.
Feel good. And after giving here, then we'll go and play football now. Yeah. Okay then. See this last year die, and here we'll go. All the Khasis guys are very working hard. Okay, guys. If you see thin fellow also, but they can work too much. See that small boys also working. This is our goalkeeper today. He play football in Isabel.